Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could recover or find your Windows 7, 8 or 10 product key. So first of all, you will have to go to your browser and you will need to type ProDuKey. You will also find the link in the video description and also direct download link. So you'll open the first option, ProDuKey, recover lost product key. You can open it in a new window. The website is nerosoft.net. You will have to scroll down to the bottom, and in the bottom you will find feedback, and here you have download ProDuKey in zip file, and you have also download for x64. So first check what is the architecture of your computer. You can always go to your computer search tab and you type dxdiag, and you will have just to wait a few seconds. The command will appear, and here you can check what is the architecture of your computer. Mine is 64, so I will click to download the 64 one. However, if you have 32, you can always download the first one and it should work. You have just to click on it and this should work. We wait 1 to 2 minutes and then you will find the downloaded folder. As you can see, I have it already ready on my desktop, so we'll just click on it to open it, and we will select ProDuKey.execution. We'll just put it, or execute, we'll just put it on the desktop, and this should extract it. Make sure that you have WinRAR, the archive file, or you can always click with right button and open with 7-zip. So now we're gonna click on our software. And as you can see guys, it have founded my Windows 10 product key. This works also for Windows 7 and Windows 8. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always send us an email or just leave us a comment and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.